This is a prototype of a quick coupler and decoupler. This is the yoke. This is the plate. And this is the shear pin. You can see how they transmit the load purely through tension and shear and no bending forces. You simply take the shear pin, slide it in, and you have a very secure coupling. The load is at the bottom and the lifter is at the top. The lifter can be a helicopter, it can be a shipyard crane, or it can be any other kind of a jib crane or something like that in a shop. There you have it. A simple, symmetrical design.